Hello guys, welcome back for another video. Service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how to service reset an Opel Combo 2005 model. We serviced the car, we changed the filters and the oil, and now we have to reset the service light. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this for yourself and help yourself. Before we start our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. If you don't like our videos, let us know. You can use the comment area. If you have any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. I resetted the service light indicator, but I'm going to show you how I did this. And so you can do it for yourself. Okay, before we start, we turn the ignition off, turn back the ignition on, and then you have to press the accelerator pedal all the way down. Yes, and once you have done that, you have to press the brake pedal 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let go the brake pedal and keep the accelerator pedal all the way down for at least 60 seconds. I'm not gonna wait 60 seconds. After the 60 seconds, you turn the ignition off and then wait for 60 seconds again. I'm not gonna wait here because I did it before. And after the 60 seconds, you turn the ignition on, you start the car, and after a couple of times the indicator for the oil service light flashes, and after a couple of flashes it turns off by itself, and then you know it's the service light indicator has reset itself. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another video. Thank you. Bye bye.